Crab legs, do you love me?
Let me see you, darling. Man, lie, 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 lie. Man, lie, 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 lie. Man, lie, lie.
What's going on, Belly Crew? Welcome back to the Belly of Sareli. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Sareli Eats. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe because we are eating over here. Still the weekend, still time for seafood. I made myself a seafood feast. Everything else I pretty much bought fresh and cooked it myself because last time I bought it somewhere else, it was a little too saucy for me. So I have a feast of snow crab, green lip mussels. I have some corn. I have crawfish. And then I had a subscriber say, hey, try a seafood boil with boiled eggs. So I'm like, okay. So have boiled eggs as well. I have butter, just keeping it simple today. I have lime, lemon, cocktail sauce with some lemon juice, and boo, high quality H2O. Let's go ahead and get started. I want to let you all know that I have been working on a project for the last couple of days. So if you miss seeing me, I definitely do apologize, but I've been working really hard. I'm excited to share it with you all in the next, very soon actually. But enough about me. How you been? Ooh, got my tools real quick. All right, now I'm ready to go. Enough about me. How you been? Hopefully pretty good. Right now in Arizona, it is monsoon season and it's pretty much rain and a dust storm mixed together. So everyone's cars are dirty. My place is just like the windows are all just full of water and dirt. Oh, that was so good. But yeah, monsoon season, it's very, very, very intense. Like where I work at, I stay pretty high up. And sometimes when I look out my window, I can actually see, the dust storm rolling in, covering the whole city. So Arizona doesn't get rain a lot, but this is technically our rainy season, but it comes with a whole bunch of dirt, dirty cars. My friend's roof ripped right off and then went to like her next door neighbor's pool. Very intense. So I'm not washing my car just for it to get dirty again. So I forgot my scissors, so I'm gonna try and use a cracker. This is kind of a heavy duty cracker, but it should be able to work still. One. Do the other side. Two. Should be good. Oh yeah, that worked just fine. Thank you for bearing with me. I have a new mic, and so every few videos I'm gonna play with the sound a little bit. So I'm in the midst of upgrading everything I have. So It may sound a little different on one video to another, but I promise the consistency will start very soon. Let's go with a little bit of butter. Ooh. Mussel. So far, so good. Ooh. I cannot wait for y'all to see what I have coming up. Normally you only see me on the weekend, but I'm definitely about to change it up. So make sure you have your notifications on. I'm not gonna change it up too much, but I'm just excited. Taste test, gang. I'm so sorry I didn't give you a bite the first time. This is all you. Do you want it plain? You want butter or cocktail sauce? Butter? All right, I get you some butter. I get you some butter. Good choice. Very, very, very good choice. My last seafood video was a deshelled. It's pretty good, but I definitely miss the snap of eating snow crab. I probably do deshelled again for king crab because, as you all know, I struggle a lot with that. But snow, I got it like that. I just know. I'm gonna do a little bit of cocktail. I'm gonna hit it with some lemon real quick. Lemon is delicious. A little small corn. Oh yeah. Let's go for some crawfish. Only a few this boil, not that many. Shopping for the crawfish, the selection was very, very small. So nothing wrong with a feast of everything. Ooh. Bow, bow, bow. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Sorry, gotta clean my crawfish a little bit. Some lemon. You know what? Let's try an egg. I guess just regular egg in the boil. I mean, it just adds maybe some creaminess to the boil, but it's not bad. What happened here? Nothing like some fresh mussels. I think the toughest thing to get fresh here in Arizona is probably crab. Everything else, you know, it's kind of easy to obtain, but crab, it's like a no-go here. Let's dip it in a little bit of butter, just because, and put a little bit of lemon on it. Bow, bow, bow. Ooh, ooh. Empty. Empty. Another thing about monsoon season in Arizona, since dust is like everywhere, I am sniffling and sneezing nonstop. Like, it's always an issue for me, but whenever I step outside, you know, I'm just gasping. Extra, real extra. That piece didn't taste all that great, but it's also probably because I didn't clean it that well. That's very possible. Come on out, crab. I could have cut it open, but I like to struggle. Then you persevere and get all the crab out. Boom. No shortcuts. Whoop, whoop. Here we go. Do a little crack. Right about there. A little crack. Right about there. Come on. There we go. And then little pieces of claw meat. I was gonna get blue crab, but they were all very small. I feel like there wouldn't be that much meat in them. I mean, I shouldn't judge, but to pay that money for, that's like, I don't know, getting a burger, but most of the burger is just lettuce and bun, and it's only a small little patty. Bow, bow, bow. I will admit, I think I overcooked the mussels by a little bit. They're a little rubbery. I don't cook them that often, but I just cooked them in a little Old Bay, a little bit of butter, some wine, and garlic. But I also started cooking them first. Probably should have cooking them a little bit last. Whoop whoop. Taste test, gang. Oh, now you want cocktail sauce? I got you. I got you. See? That's so good. So ridiculous how good that is. Any plans for the week? For all of my younger viewers? Or, heck, anybody? School starting for you yet? I know a lot of people around here start school technically tomorrow. But I don't know. There we go. Man, I already got my shirt dirty. Didn't even notice. It's all good. I have my shoes right under me. And I totally just threw crab juice all in them. Oh well. Egg. I mean, pretty good. If I was doing keto, egg would be a great substitute for a potato. If I was doing low carb, not keto. I guess keto would probably work too, but low carb, egg would be a great substitute. we go. I have so many songs in my head right now. My friend has been playing the Kiki or In My Feelings by Drake. So it's literally crab legs, do you love me? Doesn't even matter. Anything with a 2-syllable word or 2 syllables, I've just been replacing everything. Lemon. Yellow corn. Oh, that probably doesn't work. I've been dancing all weekend. Break off the legs. A lot easier that way. There we go. I'm not even gonna. Sometimes I just get like a really bad leg for my cluster. Oh man, I hope this whole thing is not messed up like that. Don't know if I should eat it. It doesn't have, I mean, it has a little bit of a yellowish tinge, but I don't know. Yeah, no. Oh man. Hopefully this leg is salvageable. But I don't know. I told you before, if you've never had crab legs before, if it doesn't look normal or have a red and white hue or color to it, and it has like a little bit of a yellowish tinge, oh, that's good. Don't eat it. You'll get sick. Food poisoning is bad. You know, seafood food poisoning, just the worst. Oh yeah, we're good. Out of that whole cluster, one leg of it was good. When a crab is bad, it means it's usually, you know, died during transit. It was picked up dead, or, I mean, I hate to say it, but it was just a bad crab. I totally picked up a crawfish and just put it right back down. Didn't even eat it. Here we go. Do that in some I'm not even gonna mess with these clusters. I mean, I may pick through them a little bit. Four, 5, 6. An egg. Trash. Water. That is going to go ahead and do it for today's video. I'm trying to keep it short and sweet. Please make sure you have your bell on, your notification bell on, because I have a couple surprises coming up. I want to make sure all of you stay tuned. I'm pretty full. I have 6 mussels left over and a boiled egg. The clusters, I'm going to have to pick through them off screen to make sure that they are legit. This one's good, but those two, they need to be vetted first. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below whatever you want. I'm very active in the comment section for, the first, 2-3 days. And then after that, in influx. And I'm already working on another video. I get to it, I get to it. It just takes a little bit. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, when I eat, you eat, we all eat together. Cue that outro.
So freaking let me see you, darling. I love the weekend.